Buyers are going to give this home a 10 out of 10. It's a completely renovated home with thousands of dollars spent. Every corner of this home has been completely meticulously renovated. On top of that, it gives you a 2-bedroom basement apartment. This gorgeous kitchen has no expense spared. From beautiful quartz countertops to state-of-the-art appliances, a smart fridge, a wine cooler, and just gorgeous cabinetry all around. So if you're looking for an absolutely gorgeous home in this market, this is the one you should come to.